This is how it should be. Never have them behind you. Hey everybody, welcome back. So today is gonna be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to work, but sort of not going to work. I'm gonna get my uniform on right now and show you what I'm wearing today. Boom, this is the uniform of the day. And I'm sure you're asking yourself, why are you wearing a bathing suit and flip-flops to work? Today is swim test day for the Marine unit. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and have some fun with me. And I'm sorry for the way I sound. I still have this sinus infection, which I did get antibiotics yesterday. I finally broke down, went to the doctor, so it's like sort of on the upswing, but I sound like an idiot. Even more of an idiot than I normally sound like. Kids, this is part of getting old. When you go places, you have to bring your pills with you. So old. Baby! Oh, not today.
Tell me what to do. Show me how to feel under your control. Everything is real, so hit me.
I am on my way in. This is going to be like a two-parter of a day. We're going to one of the city rec centers for the pool, and we're doing the swim test there. Because the Gulf waters, Intercoastal, still a little on the cold side, so they didn't want to toss us in there. We did that one year. We actually swam just in the Intercoastal as part of the swim test. So we go there, I think it is, unless they've changed it, we have to tread water for 15 minutes, and then you have to swim 200 yards, I believe is what the number is. So it's not very hard. I mean, if you're somewhat of a swimmer. I'm ready though. I've been preparing for this mentally and physically, and I'll let you guys all know I shaved everything for this. I am going to glide through the water like a dolphin or some other sea creature.
So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's like an infection.
And so for the second part of the day, we are going to leave the rec center. We are going to drive out to the substation that we have out on the beach, which is actually on the Intercoastal, and that's where the boat is stored. So we actually house our department boat there. There's a boat for FD there, and Fish and Wildlife keep a boat there. So there's a dock with 3 boat lifts in the back of the substation there. That's where the boat's at, and we will head there and do like a orientation type thing, if you will, of the boat, which again, for me, being a boater is really not that important. We have a lot of people that signed up this time around to be a member of the crew that are not boaters, don't own boats or have boating experience. So it's obviously they have to have basic training for everybody, regardless of whether how much you know or this person knows. That way everybody has the same instruction, and the department can basically sign off and say, hey, you guys were all instructed the way we want you to be instructed, so if we screw up, we're on the hook for it. We have no excuses. So that is the plan for today.
With an obsession, with you, never any tension. Nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Listen up, cause these are the directions. Obey what I say, don't complain, I don't wanna hear questions. Follow my lead, time to fall to your knees. It's an order, it's not a suggestion. I'm about to teach you a lesson. I recommend you pay attention. This is my kingdom, you're stripped of all freedom. You want nothing but my possession. Head back, hands tied.
Check this footage.
It's not as easy as I remember. So, you're swimming for fun. You know, you don't really think about it. You actually go out and start swimming, trying to have any, I lost the contact. Oh well, anyway, try and do it with any form whatsoever. And unless you train, which is like everything in life, like, you take it for granted of how much skill and cardio it takes for each specific thing. Like, I'm in pretty good shape overall, but whew, I'm winded. Now I just gotta tread water for 10 minutes. We'll rest a little bit and we'll be good to go. So now we tread water. All the boys treading water with me. And then a bunch of 12-year-old girls in the background doing synchronized swimming.
Eyes wide, baby, I'm yours. I said, baby, I'm yours.
First 3 are done. They started a couple minutes before the rest of us, and we're rocking out the last couple minutes.
Whatever you say, go. I'm under your control.
So, swim test over. We pull up to the place today and it's packed. There's cars everywhere. Come to find out, there's some sort of like national synchronized swimming meet going on at the same pool. So we got one little corner sectioned off for us for just to do our laps and the treading water part. And we were surrounded by a bunch of 12-year-old girls watching a bunch of middle-aged guys try and stay afloat. So it was fun. It's over. We're going to the second half now, which will be at the substation where we do a few things on the boat, climbing off the boat onto the dock, boat nomenclature, different things like that. So we're gonna head over there and do that. Oh, and I lost a contact when I dove into the pool like an idiot. Why the other guys brought goggles, I didn't. So now I can't see out of one of my eyeballs. It's all blurry.
So hit me, so for the remainder, you were about to get chained up. If ever you feel you're in danger, just say the safe word, I won't get angered. Now, I'm done being playful. I promise that I keep it tasteful. So, lay on the table, cause this is about to get painful.
So, we are done. I'm on my way home. We looked at the boat. We went into a classroom. We went over detailed diagrams and pictures and all of the policies and procedures and boring stuff. So there was really nothing to film during that time. So that was that. That was my day. Pretty easy. Start my weekend now. Nice 3.5 day weekend. Stopped by the house, threw a new contact in. I can see again. On my way to the computer store to pick up the optical drive for that new computer I got, because I still have some old programs that have CDs to load the program on. I think that's where I'm going to end it today, though. I can't imagine any of this is going to be exciting or even worthwhile to see. So that's it. That was my day. A little bit of fun, a little bit of training, running some errands. That's that. So I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. As always, I appreciate your support. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. We'll see you soon.
I'm going inside, you're not going nowhere until the sunrise. I love when you scream, I know what it means. That's why we make a good team, but never a witness. How we get off is nobody's business, is it? So it's funny how nobody knows how much you love being under control.